Alright guys, just doing a quick one, segment for this video. I did a glue up so far, and I did partial glue up. And right there, that's the glue up of one side of it. It's not stained. I'm going to wait until the whole thing is glued up, and then I'm going to stain that edge. I did bevel it, that's why some of the stain came off, is because of the beveling. But I wanted to show you the idea I came up with. I decided to add a stitch line across here, and it's 2mm stitch. Yeah, I should bevel this and do and burnish it so that that edge looks really nice and that edge is stained. But since this is a mock-up, I'm just kind of doing general design here. So that's what that is. I got both pieces with the stiffener, and you can definitely tell there's a big difference in how that is, for how that adds to the stiffness of it. It adds a lot to it, actually. So I'm just doing this quick vid to show that part. I'm going to glue up the centerpiece, and then I'll be back and I'll show you what that glue up looks like with the whole thing together. Then I'll actually do my first test fit, well, my first true test fit with the sword in there, and then I'll go to lacing. So I'm going to get this all glued up, and I'll be back to you after I get done with that. Thanks, guys. Alright, this is what I got going so far. I did the glue up. It's really nice. I haven't trimmed up the edges or anything like that. I'm just so excited because it glue up. And then this is the actual first try of the mock-up. And it was awesome, guys. I really liked it. But there... I mean, so that would be the scabbard, and like I said, this is just a mock-up, just so that I can see how it's going to look and how it's going to come together. But I'm really excited. This is awesome. I think everything came out good. In the final design, there's a lot I got to redo, but the glue hasn't even really truly dried, so I shouldn't actually be doing this part, but I'm just so excited. It's coming out really good. I do notice that I got some things I want during the glue up that I gotta figure out for the holes and stuff like that. But I think that one three-prong one where they're straight and they're held that way is going to change up a lot more, because that other one they bend and twist just a little bit, so they kind of go through the leather crooked, or they'd hit a hard spot, go through crooked, and that's actually what I'm kind of dealing with right now. Like I said, though, there's parts I got to trim up real quick, dye that edge up, and that'll be the end of the glue up part, but I got to let this dry for a while. It's definitely going to need to do that, but I'm excited with the way it came out. This is cool. This is really coming together. First scabbard I've done. I planned it out for a long time. That's what's helped it come out so good, because I've been thinking about what I'm doing and stuff like that. So, just showing you this quick. Thanks. Alright, see ya. Bye.